Hi foodies, welcome back. I have another exciting recipe for you, and this is my mom's way of making stuffed pomfret and I wanted to share it with you. Are you ready? Come on. I have cleaned and slit the pomfret to stuff with the chutney. Try to make a deep slit if possible. Discard the fins and the tail. We will first apply salt and lemon juice all over so that the outside of the fish also has flavor. Try to coat as evenly as possible. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. Apply some on the inside also and marinate for 10 minutes. In the meantime, we will make the chutney ready. Use as many green chilies as you like. This is such an amazing chutney for stuffing the fish. Add very little water at first and blend to a smooth paste. Oh, I forgot to add salt earlier. We will stuff the fish with this chutney as tightly as possible and going deep into the slit we made. Allow it to sit for 10 minutes. I will now coat this stuffed fish with rice flour evenly so it's nice and crispy on the outside when we fry it. Go ahead and click the subscribe button for such yummy recipes I post every week. We will shallow fry in medium hot oil and the flame is medium low for it to cook all the way inside. If the heat is high, the outside will brown, leaving the inside raw. Fry until it's evenly golden all over. Time to turn and be very careful not to break the fish. Wow, a delicious stuffed pomfret is ready to be served. Hope you like the recipe and thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye.